choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. Maybe your dishes are coming out with little black specks or specks of grease. They're just not coming out as clean as they used to. First thing you're going to do is check these holes, see if those are clogged. sometimes they're clogged with dish soap and grime. And in this case, they're actually cleared out still. So what we're going to do is we're going to look back here under this cover. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to remove our dish racks. And after you have your dish racks out, on this one there's a couple bolts here we're going to take off, and I just used the tool I had available. I didn't have any other thing except for this, so this is what I'm using, is this grips. Once you remove that, you're able to pull off that cover, and as you can see here, it looks pretty nasty. So every time we're doing our dishes, that's kind of getting flung around up into our dishes, and if you look under the cover, it gets even worse. So imagine we've been doing dishes under here for a while, and this is just at a seasonal place, so it's pretty nasty. So we went through, we cleaned it up, we looked there in the chopper, and as you can see, a lot of that had stained. That's rubber right there, so it's a little bit stained. But then we went through and removed all the pieces, and you can see the areas that we had to clean up. And once we were done, we put it all back together, and hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure to get in there and clean the grime out of your dishwasher.